And then on 20th, another test came of induce of intelligence. Another test. Dadi Santri came to me and said that Baba has promised yesterday, that means on 19th, that he will come after the cremation and give Murli and give all directions. So she said that she was our official messenger sister from the inception till 19th of January 69. She was the official messenger sister. So she said that I feel that I should not be sitting there and Baba coming down in my body. Let Baba come down into the body of Dadi Gulzar. And now let Dadi Gulzar be the official messenger sister. I said, to me it does not make any difference. We went to Dadi Prakashmani and Didi Manmohini and others for this change in the status of the messenger sister. Dadi said that, Ramesh, we are very busy, we are totally in that confused stage. You decide whatever you can decide. Don't disturb us. So I and Dadi Santri came back. I said to Dadi Santri that you go to Baba and get it decided. Who should be your chariot? This is not for me. It is for Shiv Baba to decide. So she went into trance in Baba's room. And look how much taste Baba conducts. Baba replied that this is not my question. This is a question for you children to decide. I want chariot. You decide who should be my chariot. Into whose body I should come. You decide. Whether in Santri Dadi or in Gulzar. That Baba will not decide. Really, it was a big question, a very big question about the future of the institution and future messenger sister for the institution. And I don't get any help. And Santri Dadi said that Baba says that let Ramesh decide. And whatever he decides is acceptable to me. So I said, we went to Dadi Gulzar, that Baba is telling us like this, what should we do? Will you accept this role of messenger sister? She said, she does not mind, and it is up to us to decide. She cannot say that, oh yes, I want to become messenger sister. I cannot reply you. You decide on your own. And so we were back to the square one as to who should become the messenger sister. Ultimately, Santri Dadi said, Ramesh, you decide whether I should become or Dadi Gulzar should become. And then I said, okay, let us decide that Dadi Gulzar becomes messenger sister. And that was really a great sacrifice by Santri Dadi, that right from 37 till 69 January 19th, she was the messenger sister and she voluntarily surrendered her position of messenger sister and decided that Dadi Gulzar becomes messenger sister. It was decided between me, myself, Santri Dadi, and we informed Dadi Gulzar that tomorrow you have to sit on the stage and be the Baba's chariot and go to Baba and Baba will come down in your body. So we three only knew about these things. And then after cremation, what happened that the question came of, come on now, offering bhog to Baba. And everybody started looking at Santri Dadi that she should go and sit on the stage. And then Gulzar Dadi got up from her seat and then went to the stage and started sitting on this. And then Dadi Prakashmani said, why she is going? She is not the official messenger sister. I said, Dadi, be calm and be quiet. It is decided that Dadi Gulzar will become today's messenger sister. And Baba has agreed to come into his body and then he will start giving Murli. So Dadi started looking at me like this. Why you are changing this position which has been decided right from 37? I said, this is not my decision. This is the decision of Santri Dadi. She says that she would not like to become and let Gulzar Dadi become. It was a great moment for me to decide and big question of use of intelligence as to how and who should become messenger sister. But fortunately, Santri Dadi and Gulzar Dadi, both of them cooperated, and then we have that first Avyakta Murli on 21st of January.